Well, Mr. Gabriel, please come on stage. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
December 2nd, for 2024. The 2nd December 2024.
Okay. Hello, Biafrans. The United States of Biafra.
Yes.
We made it. We made it. Welcome, His Excellency.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Today, we are going to sign the treaty between the United States of Biafra and the Eritrean government in exile. As you all are aware, we got a couple of countries that have been recognizing the United States of Biafra for the past 2 days. And we are very, very grateful for that. Yes. We have so many congressmen from the United States that have approved and recognized the United States of Biafra. Yes. We have the Ambazonia government that have recognized the United States of Biafra. And many more are on the line. We are speaking with some of them. Like our guest speaker that spoke yesterday has said he thinks United States may be number 3. So I'm going to read this treaty of cooperation and mutual support and recognition between the transitional of exile and the United States of Biafra. We recognize the shared historical struggles of the Eritrean and indigenous people, self-determination, justice, and sovereignty. The inherent right of all peoples, the nation, the nations. To strengthen the bonds of solidarity and cooperation between the two nations. Committed to promoting peace, security, and development in the region and beyond. The Eritrean government have agreed to the following: recognition and mutual respect. Parties shall recognize each other as representatives of the parties shall respect each other's sovereignty, territorial integrity, and political independence. Cooperation and solidarity. The parties shall cooperate in the areas of diplomacy and international relations, defense, economic, education, science and technology, culture, and social affairs. The parties shall support efforts to achieve their aspirations. The parties shall consult and coordinate of respect and mutual interest. The parties shall provide mutual support to each other, including recognition support, economic and political assistance, military and civil cooperation, humanitarian. Shall refrain from any action that may undermine the security and stability of the party. The party shall resolve the disputes through means including mediation and arbitration. In the event of dispute, they shall establish a joint commission to address the issue and seek a mutually acceptable solution. International with international organizations and other states to promote their common interests. The parties work together international law was not. This treaty was signature by duly authorized representatives of the parties. Whereof the duly authorized representative of the transitional government in exile, represented here by His Excellency and the Chief of Staff of the United States Biafra, acting for the Prime Minister Simon Eber, signed the year of our Lord, December the 1st, December the 1st, being signed. With the signature official between the national representative of Eritrea, which is the government in exile, including the Biafran government in exile. People only very proud for the declaration of independence for the government of Nigeria, including the people of Nigeria. We don't need to resort into a simple pen. Yes. We can do it peacefully. We don't need to bleed each other. We need to die. Because these people from here up are not playing. That's a done deal. It is sealed. Encourage their government. Yes. At the end of the day, we need to live as neighbors in peace and harmony. In order to please encourage the government in order to settle this freedom of the rest of the world, including nations. I encourage you to follow. Yes, we're looking for friends. Friends must be good in our aspect in your recognition. That without doubt, the United States is in a big spot for sure to recognize the Biafra of the Republic of Biafra, and I can't wait for that day, and I'm very proud to be here. Thank you.